Have you ever wondered what a game engine is? A game engine is a helpful software framework that developers can use to create video games. It provides all the tools and systems you could possibly need to handle the technical aspects of game development, so you can focus more on the fun stuff like design and creativity, rather than building everything from scratch. Next, have you ever wondered how a game engine is developed from scratch? It's a fascinating process. The first step is to conceptualize and plan. It's important to define the purpose of the engine, e.g. 2D, 3D, VR, and the target platforms. Now it's time to get into the nitty-gritty of programming the core systems. We'd suggest using languages like C++ or Rust for high performance. As you build up your engine, you can gradually add in systems like rendering, physics, and asset management. It's also a great idea to test and optimize your engine as you go along. This is especially important for rendering and physics simulations. As you're building your engine, you can also create user-friendly editors for things like level design, asset management, and animation. Once you've built your engine, you can provide detailed guides and software development kits to help other game developers use it. Finally, don't forget to update and enhance your engine based on user feedback and new technology. Next, have you ever wondered why it can be so tricky to develop a game engine? The other thing that makes it tricky is the complexity of the systems involved. Each component requires a lot of technical know-how and needs to be put together with great care. Performance optimization, it's so tricky to get everything to run smoothly across all those different devices. Cross-platform compatibility, we all know how tricky it can be to get different platforms like Windows, iOS, Android and consoles to play nicely together. It often requires a lot of extra work to make sure everything is working perfectly.